What's up, guys? Welcome back to Eventual Acres. I'm so excited to announce that we will finally be harvesting some potatoes today. Now, if you've been following along, then you know these aren't potatoes that I personally planted. These are potatoes that my buddy planted and gifted to me. But they've been growing on my front steps for, I want to say, a month and a half now. I don't even remember. But all the leaves have finally started to die off, which means that they're ready to harvest. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to dump these out, and I want to see how much have actually grown in here. Nice little tiny baby one, I guess. So that's everything that we harvested from the bag. It looks like we really only have 7 actually decent sized potatoes. And then we've got like 3 small little nuggets. And then I don't even know what's going on with these tiny little potatoes. Like, I don't even know if you can really call that a potato. So I don't know why this happens. I wonder if it's due to underwatering or maybe a lack of enough nutrients in the soil. I'm not sure. This is my first time harvesting potatoes or really growing potatoes in general. So if you know what causes those tiny little potatoes, again, if you can even call it a potato, feel free to let me know down in the comments. I'm curious to learn. I'm probably going to look it up after I am done recording today. So maybe I'll know the answer. But again, feel free to drop that down in the comments. I always enjoy feedback. So again, those are our potatoes. I'm going to take our potatoes inside and I'm going to cook some of them up. I was thinking that I could probably try and sprout some new potatoes, but I don't know. Since it's not a huge harvest, I might just eat all of them. Maybe I'll sprout them. I don't know. All right, guys. Now, if you take a look here on tonight's menu, I have some ribeye steaks, 2 farm fresh eggs that I bought from the farmer's market this weekend, and our freshly harvested potatoes. So it's gonna be a good dinner. Having some ribeyes, gonna make some home fries, and you can't go wrong with 2 farm fresh eggs, right? Look, I'm by no means Gordon Ramsay, but I just gotta say, this looks like it turned out really good. Got my ribeye steak, got my hash browns, got my eggs. Check this out. I am very excited to eat this. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, feel free to like and subscribe and leave any comments down below. Helps me a lot, helps me connect with you guys. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.